Let's on a move! We're having some chicken wings for dinner tonight, and I decided to make a charcuterie board. Let me share some ideas and tips on how you can make your own. Tip number 1, how to serve it. No need to buy anything. Check around your house for serving trays or snack trays, and you can use them to put your cold cuts or cheese items. This is a chopping board and basket. Just put the plate in the basket, and that's it. Tip number 2, food portions. For a family of 5 to 6 people, maybe 2 to 3 kinds of cheeses and 2 to 3 kinds of cold or cured meat is enough. You can always add fillers like fruit and nuts for an appetizing display. Tip number 3, what to serve. I suggest to serve a mixture of new and favorite foods. Maybe a combination of a hard and a soft cheese, a regular and a spicy cold meat. How about letting them try different kinds of crackers, like maybe the Filipino sky flakes, water crackers, keto crackers. Check my description down below for other suggestions of our favorites. Tip number 4, assemble your food as ready to eat. So, cube those hard cheeses, cut the soft cheese into wedges, roll up the prosciutto or other meats. Make it easier for each one to serve themselves. As an example, I provided small knives so we could spread the cheese or cut them into wedges. Are you enjoying this video? Please like and share. Let's do a recap before we go to tip number 5. First, we choose a serving dish from what we have at home. We decide on the food portions depending on the size of our family. We choose what to serve, adding something new and something that's a favorite, and we fix it so that it's ready to eat. Here are some charcuterie boards I made. This one has pate, this one has cherries and nuts, this one was during Christmas time, and this I call the Queen of Hearts. Hello, I am Dumofan. What is tip number 5? A. Oh, it is to have fun. Yum 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 yum. And having fun means being creative and letting your creative juices flow. So I added some lettuce, mint leaves as decoration, and some strawberries as well to garnish the whole charcuterie board. In my coming Grow Your Food series, this is one way to use your lettuce. Hey Moncescans, you should try to make your own charcuterie board. And it's so easy to make. It's delicious. Sorry for the bad voice acting. I'm just having some fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe. Yum 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 yum.